Today we're going to be focusing on one of our elements of art, and that is texture. We're going to be making this felt fish. Felt is a fabric that is soft and fuzzy, and those are texture words. When we think of texture words, that is hard, like metal, or cold, like this metal, or it might be squishy or sticky, like glue. It can be smooth, like paper, but typically we don't think of paper having texture. So we're going to be making a fish out of something that is soft and fuzzy, this felt. We're going to be making an angelfish, and we're going to start off with the angelfish because it's easy. It's just going to be one big cutout piece, and then we're going to add pieces to it. I will show you at the end of this video how we can make more complicated things as well. To start our fish, we're going to draw a backwards C shape. That's going to be its mouth. And then it's going to curve up and back down like a rainbow. And then we're going to do the same thing for the underside, just the opposite. Then we're going to put on a tail, and it's going to come up and out like this. And then like the C shape, it's going to kind of wave and end here like this. And there's his tail. He needs a fin at the top, and that's going to wave up and then stop and wave down. That's a really big fin. I probably could have made that a little smaller. We'll leave it there. It's okay to make little mistakes. We'll make a bottom fin, and then one more little small fin. This is where his eye will go. We're going to use a googly eye for ours. Now let's make some stripes that are going to go down. We're going to make a stripe that's like this, and then another one, and then one more. And I think we'll have room for just one little small one here. So our angelfish now has stripes on it. He has his fins. He's ready to be cut out. Now that I have his body cut out, we're going to take our felt, and I'm going to put him over here on the corner so I don't waste the felt. I'm not going to put him right in the middle. I'm going to put him towards the edge so I'm not wasting any. I'm going to take my Sharpie, and I'm going to trace around the fish. Now for this part, I'm just going to put my fish here, and I'm going to draw this line onto my felt, that curved line. Okay, I'm going to set him to the side there. Now I'm going to cut out my stripes. This will help me figure out what size I need them to be. I can tell that this one is too long, so all you have to do is take it, trim it, and there we go. You have to use tacky glue when you're using felt. We can add little details if we need to. And if you want to make your own felt animals, you can make anything you can imagine. You can use felt to make bears or owls or anything that you can think of. So don't stop creating, and I hope that you enjoyed this project and had fun.